everyone, welcome back. If Netflix games are not loading on your device, it can be frustrating, but this fix is usually simple. Follow these steps to solve the problem quickly. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi Fi is the main reason games fail to load. Restart your router or switch to a stronger network. Next, make sure your app is updated. Go to the App Store, search for Netflix, and make sure that the Netflix app is updated because old versions may not support games properly. Now, swipe out from the bottom of your screen, close both the apps, swiping it away. Wait for a few hours and open both of them. This will fix temporary errors. If it still does not load, clear the apps cache from your phone settings on Android or restart your device. This removes temporary errors. Also, check if Netflix servers are working in your region or not. Sometimes the issue is from Netflix side, so you just need to wait. If nothing works, reinstall the app and log in again. This often fixes the loading issues. Now Netflix games should work properly again. Thanks for watching this guide. See you in the next one.